Tired of Follow Up Boss only doing what it already does? Let's unlock its full potential by tapping into the Follow Up Boss API, giving you superpowers to customize and automate your workflow. First, log into your Follow Up Boss account as an administrator. This is crucial, because only admins have access to the API settings. Next, navigate to the admin section, typically found in the bottom left corner of your dashboard, then find and click on Integrations. Scroll down until you see the API section. Here's where the magic happens. Click the Generate API Key button. A new API key will be generated for your account. Treat this key like a password. Copy it to your clipboard immediately and store it securely. Don't share it with unauthorized personnel. Now, with your API key in hand, you can access the Follow Up Boss API documentation. You can usually find a link to the documentation near the API key generation area. This documentation is your Bible. It outlines all the available endpoints and parameters you can use to interact with Follow Up Boss programmatically. Using this API key and documentation, you can now connect Follow Up Boss to other apps, automate tasks like lead distribution or data synchronization, and even build completely custom solutions. Just remember to follow the best practices for API usage, including rate limiting and security.